I don't know why Dharmendra Pradhan is so much more important than the students who committed suicide. We all have gathered here and let's be real, we need justice. We don't have to beg for justice in this democracy, but here we are.
एक्चुअली अभी यहाँ देखो तो यहाँ पे पुलिस वाले थोड़ा शांति से हम लोग सबके बात कर रहे हैं, मतलब वो लोग संभाल रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट वो लोग मीम्स पे भी हंस रहे हैं हमारे.
स्टूडेंट्स को लाठी, रेपिस्ट का साथी, स्टूडेंट्स को लाठी, रेपिस्ट का साथी.
Massive protests have erupted in Mumbai's Dadar area where the students, youngsters have gathered over here. They're demanding the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and they're protesting regarding the alleged irregularities in the paper leak scams. So right now I'm present at Dadar area. This is the Shivaji Park area and thousands of protesters, CJP supporters have gathered over here. They have completely blocked one side of the road. There is utter chaos over here. Police are also detaining few protesters and even at the entrance of the metro stations they are taking the details of the students regarding their names, numbers. So this protest has erupted amid the backdrop of the Jantar Mantar protest. So we saw how the police manhandled the protesters and how the scuffle erupted. Lathi charge was used. Tear gas was used to disrupt the protesters protesting at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Sonam Wangchuk went on a hunger strike and at the backdrop of all these things, even here at Mumbai's Dadar, there is constant sloganeering done by the protesters. Various students, parents and even the CJP protesters have gathered over here and they are seeking justice. They are demanding that education reforms should be there and accountability should be fixed by the government. That is what they are demanding. We spoke to various protesters. Obviously, there was no permission over here at the Shivaji Park to protest and various protesters were dragged and even they were detained by the police officers. So many influencers, parents, stand-up comedians and CJP supporters have gathered over here. Earlier, the police were detaining all these protesters, but now they are letting them protest over here at Shivaji Park. However, they are not allowing, the Mumbai police is not allowing to protest inside the Shivaji Park and various students have come over here by lying to their parents because of the safety reasons and many college students are there. However, it is pertinent to mention that this is an unorganized protest. No permission was given, no particular leader is there to guide this protest. But the crowd has swelled like anything over here. Thousands gathered over here. They marched and there were various slogans that were raised by the protesters. There were various slogans raised by the protesters seeking justice.
I am very happy that the country has finally woken up, that Gen Z has woken up the country, that all the people who support and vote for the BJP and who think that the country is progressing under the BJP, that they've broken that illusion. It's a
Protest against the education reforms.
well, obviously for the youth, the main demand is that Dharmendra Pradhan should resign. But I feel that if Dharmendra Pradhan resigns, another one just like him will take his place. So this whole government should go. That is what I feel.
Resignation to begin with starts accountability. This is just a start of a domino effect, I think. If the ministers learn to take accountability, it would create a precedence amongst other ministers as well.
While studying, I was doing mass media. So the whole new education policy that has come, it was very bad because we had to study other courses as well along with our courses, which was distracting us from our main course. And we weren't getting much exposure in our course.
I am protesting for the rights of students, for the people who have lost their lives and the students who have committed suicide just for what? A paper leak which was entirely Dharmendra Pradhan's responsibility.
It is completely wrong. They are dragging girls who are not even involved. If they are just alone girls, single girls walking through the road, they are literally pulling them, pushing them. All kinds of nonsense is happening. friend, she was coming here for the protest and she was detained by the police before even reaching the site. She sat on the ground. She trusted them that they would not harass her, they would not touch her, but rather they made her get up from the ground and they dragged her by the hair. They assaulted her. This is not what happens. Lathi charge is not what is supposed to happen. There should be a lot of warnings, a hell lot of warnings, and only after that you can do that. Nails around the lathi, is that democracy? We want Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. Since 3 years I have been giving needs. Now I'm a student and I have seen my friends die. We know what it feels like. Any other country's officer would have resigned by now. And this shame. We want the same justice for India. Bharat Mata ki jai.
एक शरीर जितने हिस्सों और टुकड़ों से मिलकर बनता है, उसी तरह हमारा देश, हमारा भारत भी अपने हर राज्य, हर शहर, हर गांव, हर इंसान, हर पेड़, हर जंगल, हर नदी और हर खेत से मिलकर बनता है। यहाँ के लोग, यहाँ के बच्चे, यहाँ के युवा और यहाँ के बुजुर्ग, हम सभी से भारत बनता है, हम सभी से भारत धड़कता है। हम सब इसी भारत के अलग अलग अंग हैं और जैसे कि कोई अपने शरीर को बिखरने नहीं देता, वैसे ही हम अपने देश को कभी बिखरने नहीं देंगे। भारत सिर्फ हमारी पहचान नहीं, हमारी अंतरात्मा में भारत है। अन्याय के खिलाफ आवाज उठाना देश विरोध नहीं बल्कि देश प्रेम है। जरूरत पड़ी तो हम मरम्मत भी करेंगे, सफाई भी करेंगे और हिफाजत भी करेंगे। हमारी ताकत हमेशा से हमारी एकता में रही थी, रही है और रहेगी। जब जब देश को हमारी जरूरत होगी हम अपनी आवाज जरूर उठाएंगे। बहुत चुप रह लिया, अब तो जनता बोलेगी, क्योंकि हम भारतीय हैं और हमें फर्क पड़ता है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। हम रोड ब्लॉक करने के कोई मतलब वो सोच से आए नहीं थे यहाँ पे। हम जब आए तो पुलिस वालों ने हमें रोक लिया, वो भगा रहे थे कि आप इस तरफ नहीं आ सकते हो। ये बेचारे बच्चे, ये जो युवा हैं, हम सब जो यहाँ पर हैं, हम छोटे छोटे ग्रुप में, हमें समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था जाना कहाँ है, जबकि पहले ही बता दिया गया था कि आप यहाँ मिलिए, यहाँ जाना है। यहीं से हमें भगाया जा रहा था। हमने किसी को परेशानी नहीं किया, बट अगर पुलिस हमें सपोर्ट करती तो बहुत पहले ही हम आगे बढ़ जाते, बट वहाँ जाने के लिए परमिशन नहीं मिल रही थी।
Irrespective of whatever the matter is, you should not touch a woman or a child like that.
You know, the protest started as like we wanted the resignation of the education minister, but now it has developed, because it can't be. You in a nation where you call yourself democracy, you need to let the people protest. Even if you think it's wrong, even if you think that they are doing wrong, you let them protest. You do not beat children like that. So that's what the protest is.
Students को लाठी, रेपिस्ट का साथी, students को लाठी, रेपिस्ट का साथी।
We are educators standing for children today. We are bold and we won't stop. The government is accountable. We want answers.
जो हो गया है वो बहुत ही गलत हो गया है। जो स्टूडेंट्स का जो भविष्य है वो भविष्य दाव पर लगाया है और इसकी जिम्मेदारी पूरी की पूरी गवर्नमेंट को लेनी चाहिए। और इसीलिए स्टूडेंट्स का, यंग जनरेशन का जो प्रोटेस्ट है वो डेफिनेटली गवर्नमेंट को सीरियसली लेना चाहिए।
We don't want him to resign. We want a systemic change in the education system. This is just, I don't know what love, this extreme love that BJP has for Dharmendra Pradhan. If he would have just resigned, none of this would be happening. We wouldn't be in the streets today if he had just resigned today. So I don't know why Dharmendra Pradhan is so much more important than the students who committed suicide. To release all the जो भी detainees हैं उनको release करें और तुरंत Dharmendra Pradhan का resign दे. That is what we want. We are just fighting for one motive, to get the resignation and to get the Sonam Wangchuk released of the hospital and also release him from the illegal kidnapping, we can say. So just release him and all the detainees all over the Mumbai and Delhi. We all have gathered here and let's be real, we need justice. We don't have to beg for justice in this democracy, but here we are.
एक्चुअली अभी यहाँ देखो तो यहाँ पे पुलिस वाले थोड़ा शांति से हम लोग सबके बात कर रहे हैं, मतलब वो लोग संभाल रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट वो लोग मीम्स पे भी हंस रहे हैं हमारे।
They are cooperating today. We hope that they cooperate in the later half also.
Positive thing. And yes, जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।